What's up, everyone? Let's get this day started. Oh, I have my mic on. But yeah, let's get this day started, guys. It's a nice little Friday, Friday the 13th. So let's see if that'll actually affect the markets or not. I doubt it. But you know, Fridays have always just been one of those days where something can happen, right? Morning, Mandage. Morning, Chris. Good morning, Dragon. Yeah, pretty much just been pushing through our levels, bouncing around one of ours right now. Good morning, Sergio. Dragon, are you talking about the market or are you talking about my P&L? Slowly pushing down, but ideally what I'm essentially looking for right now is to just push down to that 200 EMA. Hopefully we can get a nice little bounce. So we could potentially get a nice play there. I'm trying to see if price can fall down below, right to like 35.48 area. Morning, Michael. But yeah, just as like a quick little heads up for everyone that I will be taking a little break from streaming just because I have been watching some of my old previous videos on where I've been messing up and trying to analyze, hey, what's been happening? And I realized that there's been a lot of moments where I missed out on trades or I got distracted just because I was streaming, playing with the settings, or just chatting. So I will be stepping back a little bit just because I don't like how it's been affecting my trading. Because there's been times where I take the algo alert, but then I hear other news from people and I'm like, oh, maybe okay, I start questioning my own judgment, which shouldn't be happening. So just for that reason, it's like I'm taking a little break from it. Eventually I will come back, but I will still keep everything posted on the Discord. I'll post my daily P&L every day just to show you, and then I'll probably make recap videos every day, like just showing my screen, like quick recaps, make them like 5-minute videos or less. But overall, that's what I'm gonna be doing, just because you know, we're all in this to make money, and if we're getting distracted from it too much, then it's not good, right? So I will be active on the Discord. I will post everything, and then I'll make videos on how you can get the key levels as well onto your charts if you're using Tradeovate. and exactly what I do. I'll make videos that way you guys all have it. But I will be doing those training sessions and everything, so we will still be in contact. We will be doing that. So that's why I created the training sessions too. That way we can all stay connected. You guys can still learn if you're new to trading or you're inexperienced. You can always learn something new, right? Like I'm always still learning every single day. Like I'm always researching like 24/7. But yeah, it's like I noticed that I'm making a lot of silly mistakes just because I was getting distracted, and it's time for me to realize like, hey, I have to stop the streaming part of it and then just start getting the bag more, right? He's like last week, like it was a good week, and all I was doing was just following my alerts, following my simple methods. But then I noticed like this week again, I got distracted. I started questioning myself. I started taking myself out of place too early. So it's like for that reason, I have to step away. Like I thought I could do streaming and that at the same time, but maybe in the future I can come back to it. I have to work on myself a little bit for that. But yeah. But yeah, when you guys can sign up for our training sessions down below, the Google Forms link is down below as well. So it's like we can always stay in touch. We can always chat on the Discord channel. It seems like we are a little bit, still chopping back and forth, right? So we might get some resistance here. We might end up pushing down. Little Friday sell-off action. So let's see what we find today. Okay, let's see what's happening here. There's a lot more sellers piling up, which is interesting. The buyers seem a little bit thin at the moment. DTP is like the day trader paradise thing, right? Yeah, I saw the videos pop up on my YouTube feed, so I checked it out. It seems pretty cool. Like using options to calculate the levels and to see exactly where people want to push it to. That is something that sounds interesting. How much is it though? I know he's selling his algo or his method. Any overnight alerts on the algo? Hmm. We had one around like 3 a.m., but nothing in the pre-market too much really, but we caught that little pump on. Here, let me pull it up. There's this move right here around 2:20. Got the alert on that at 2:20 in the morning and kind of just rode up, right? So we'll see if we can catch another one in the morning. Oh, I remember that. You were talking about the options and everything. Yeah, I remember that conversation. I mean, it's interesting, and who knows? I'll check it out more in detail, and maybe I'll just sign up for it because I'm always interested in like learning new ways. And his approach, when I saw the video of him explaining it, it's completely different from based on your regular technical analysis. And you can tell when somebody's legit when they're talking. Like, for me personally, when I saw the video, I could tell that he knows what he's talking about and everything is nice and legit. So it's like, yeah, check him out. You can just, Gene, you can just type in Day Trader Paradise into YouTube and you can check him out. Yep. I keep seeing his stuff pop up on my feed. So I check some of the videos out and it's cool. It is cool. I'll admit that. And one of the things I liked when I watched his videos was he cares about risk management. Number one thing to identify yourself between a gambler and an actual trader if they know about risk management. And then waiting patiently and not taking too many trades. I saw he only takes like maybe one trade or two trades. Like he'll add to his position, but that's okay. But because that's the way his method works. But overall, seems solid. Let's see. This one came as an alert. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can catch it. kind of hesitant, and I might not take this one, to be honest, just because of the way the candle was forming. Doesn't seem promising. But what I found interesting with the whole options thing was like, it's like when people base their options and their pressure like of where like the keys levels are, right, support and resistance, then you basically, you don't need to look at the calls options or put options. You just need to understand where the support and resistance levels would be. My brother's account's going good. Let me pull it up. He's only taking 2 trades so far, and he's up 400. Let me pull it up for you. So what's a way that I can hide his account number? And I can just take a screenshot here. Open that up. Uh-huh. So this is his progress on his account. You see, you opened his account this week, and from 11/8 to 11/13, he only took 2 trades so far, and he's up 400. And we're just doing NQ swing plays based on the 1 hour and the 1 day charts. So probably gonna take like another little bit of time before we get there. I'm long on YM 29.94. Oh, okay. See, okay. That is one thing I wanted to pay attention to, and then I get distracted. Thanks for the update, Armin. Yeah, this is like a prime example of this why I need to like step away from streaming, because I miss out on some moves just like this one, because I was watching the YM on the side, had both the 1 minute and the 5 minute charts up, and it hit the floor on the 1 minute and the 5 minute. Armin, the YM looks promising right now, man. I think you can get your 100 ticks pretty easily. You got to end 29.184. Where's 20? Yeah, that was a perfect entry. Oh yeah, by now break even should be in place because it has pushed up a good amount, so it's not worth risking. Risk management proper. That's good. And just to show everybody what I'm talking about the YM. A 100 ticks would be right there. Where's entry? 194. You got in at 184. Okay. I mean, for the YM to go, it just needs a little push because we've seen YM, and you know it moves pretty quickly. Can you change your setting to 2.9 and 9? Oh, look at that. Much better. Armin, does this match your screen now? Almost, okay. That's good then. But yeah, I think I might primarily just do this one on the 5 minute. Okay, maybe I can change HCL. I don't know what this does. Maybe. Does it move it up or down? So if I do open, high, low, close 4 and 9 and 2.9, that floor was exactly at 29,184. I mean, you're very close to it, man. You only need a couple more ticks, like 20 ticks, and you'll get your profit. Your actual floor is 29180. Okay. Yeah, you're. It's a good play because your DCI is very strong, as well as you entered on this one. Your MACD was below, but if you entered back here, then that was solid. Had to wait a little bit, but 2 to 1 risk, so you're still good. Yeah, I guess trading view and your Sierra chart, I believe what you said. I forgot, but I guess their data feed is a little different. That is the thing with switching up brokers and getting used to something, is that things will be different. I think I made a good call on ES by not getting in because I don't know, it was a bit choppy. Where's our morning range? Broke out of that morning range right here, that first 15 minutes. Came back in now. Let's see, we'll break through, push high, or we'll just start going back and forth. Yeah, you use CQG, yeah. Yeah, today might be another rotational day. Not rotational, it's more range and sideways. That's the way it's looking. Like, boom, 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 boom. There's a key level I didn't draw out. 35.52.75, 35.52. Let's see. We have been struggling a lot here. You're out, you took 45 plus, okay. Yeah, because ES is getting a little weaker. NQ is doing the same. YM, 5-minute candles. Yeah, a little unbiased, yeah. It's still good though. You secured the bag, that's what matters. And Armin's in such a rotate, like sideways, that you might be able to find another move off of that floor. It's touching the hourly ceilings, I might have a hard time. Okay. Pull that up. Oh, you're right. Chris, we can always stay in touch, man. Like, I'll miss you guys too because like I have a lot of fun like streaming and talking to you guys every morning. Like, it's definitely made like sitting at my desk a lot more fun. But obviously, at the end of the day, we have to make sure we secure the bag and make some money. And if that's being affected, that's something I have to step away from, right? That's why I always analyze everything I do. So this is just one thing I noticed, and it's I'm gonna try to work on it so it's like I can come back to streaming. But you can always, if you have my email, or you can just message me on whichever platform you use, right? We can always stay in touch. Yeah, man, set up the trading view account. I'll let you use the algo for a little while so you can test it out for yourself and see if you want to swing the NQ futures. And dude, you can do that. That thing is a beast on like long-term time frames. What's my email? Yeah, I'll drop my email right now here. You can just use the one for enhanced trades. Yeah, for the long swings, like on even micros or just regular contracts, right? Dude, like the alerts are amazing. Like when you're trading the NQ on the 1 hour and a 1 day, like it's amazing. Nolan, hey Jay, newer here too. Appreciate your streams, calm vibe, always happy in the morning. Yeah, hopefully I can come back to the streams. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test it out for next week and the week after just to see if there's a big difference. That's why I will start posting. I'll just keep posting my P&L statements that I have at the bottom here. I'll just post screenshots in the Discord so that way you guys can see every day, and we'll see the big difference that comes up. Laura, I don't trade after hours unless it's for like a swing play on the futures. Like it's very rare for me to trade anything on the 5 minutes on the after hours. The only time I did that when we were going through the crazy volatility during COVID, when initially back in March, because I was just using the tick charts back then because like they were going on fire, and I was just pretty much up all night trading, and it was that was one of those times where it's like you couldn't miss that opportunity, so you had to like sacrifice your sleep and just continue trading, and man, did it pay out. I can get you a link for that one as well, Sergio, and I just have to go to their website real quick. Let's- I don't know if this gives you a discount on the swing trading account, but you can try. Here, where'd my YouTube page go? Yeah, because I'm looking on their affiliate thing. I don't think they give you a discount on their swing. They don't give you 20% off of their swing account. It seems like they only do it for the regular account. Mandich, I'll still be back. Like, it's not like I'm going away from YouTube forever. Like, I'm still gonna make videos on like analyzing and understanding the charts and all that stuff to help you guys out. That will still be there. So I always do appreciate the like buttons and the subscribes. So it's like I always say thank you for that. You guys know I'm appreciative. I know you're just joking there, but just want to make that clear. You think I should stay on and not chat live? That's actually a possibility. If that's something you guys are okay with, then I could possibly do that. Because if I don't look at the chat and I just trade, then I could be fine. Yeah, Laura, I think the live streams will have to stop for just a little bit. I will try to get back into it, but the regular YouTube videos I will make them, and then obviously again, you guys can always hit me up at my email or the Discord. Feel free to chat with me at any time. Like I love talking to you guys. It's like the chat, talking, and everything. Like even though it's very fun, like it's if I was like yeah doing a swing plays, then yeah I guess chatting the whole time would be completely okay. But like with futures, like live trading, I realize for me I can't talk and analyze the same way. So it's like for that reason, that's why I have to stop it for a little bit. But hopefully I can come back to it. But I will still make YouTube videos, just posting everything I do. That way you guys still have that, and you guys can use it for with your own methods, combine it. I'll be back. Yeah. I mean, that's the plan. I do want to be back. I do want to grow my YouTube and make that big community, right? That's the main goal. It's not even like selling the algo or anything. It's like my main goal is to just build a really good community. Yeah, again, we broke out of that morning range, popped right back into it. So we'll probably end up just going back and forth again. Just realized it was Friday the 13th. Yeah, RJ, I like your idea, man. Like, I might do that. How about this? Let me next week. I will test it out to see what my difference will be like in my P&L and everything, just to see if I stop streaming completely. And then the week afterwards, we'll come back on the stream, and then we'll go from there. But actually, the week afterwards might be holiday weekend. Yeah, because we have Thanksgiving on the 26th. 27th, that's my birthday, so and it's a Friday and a long weekend, so it's like it's a day I probably won't trade, to be honest. So maybe Monday and Tuesday we can have um live trading sessions. Deal mandate? Okay. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, man, hit me up for the Algo program. I'm always happy to set it up. That's why I'm like taking people in for the training session as well, because the people that are dedicated to learn and everything, I will be giving them the Algo access for free first so that they can make profits first and then they can sign up later for the paid version. So it's like that way it's like, when you're still learning, you're a beginner, it's like you're putting your money in all this and you're just like, first things first, you want to start making money, right? That's the goal. Because it's like a win-win situation. Like I give you access for free until you start making profits, bringing it in, and you start subscribing, and then I get money back, right? It's like win-win situation. That's what I love doing for people. Yeah, hit me up by email, Discord, anything. Yeah, NQ has been going down on the 1 hour chart a little bit now. And NQ is starting to go sideways on the 1 hour. Let's see. I want to see how we react to our key level over here, right around 35.52 and change. But I'm gonna make a video on how you guys can get these key levels that I have and what I use for them exactly. Yeah, looking at this formation, pump up, go sideways, pump down, probably potentially soon, right? Did we break previous pivot high? No. Okay, that is interesting. We're still continuing that long-term trend. Been pushing down a little bit. Slow and steady. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Bruno. Definitely hit me up on Discord or my email, Bruno. We can chat. There's probably a specific reason why you're not getting those consistent results, and we can I can see if I can help you find that reasoning, and that way we can help you improve on it if you want to, that is. Because most times it's like something simple that we're missing, or something like somebody else might be able to catch on to it, but some other person might not realize it. But then a little aha moment really helps a lot. So if I can help you, I'm more than happy to help you. Let's see how we react to this key level, guys. That's really important for us at the moment. Yeah, Laura, I'm happy people like me too. I mean, I haven't really done anything to make them hate me. I don't plan on it either, but yeah. Let's see. That's kind of interesting. If you're looking at the delta at the bottom, we haven't really seen buying pressure or selling pressure, like a strong buyer or strong seller stepping in at any point within the past couple of candles, right? Past like 30 minutes or more. So we might just be going back to back, like sideways. Yeah, looking forward to hearing from you, Bruno. We can definitely chat. We can definitely work on whatever you're messing up with. So there's always a pattern to everything, man. Like that's what I noticed. That's why I always like log everything I have, log my P&Ls, log what trades I take. I put in the reasoning next to it. That way I know exactly, hey, what am I doing right? What am I doing wrong? Drop down to our key level at right now. Let's see. We're holding it right now, to be honest. But if we break through, we might just see a little bit of a sell-off. Not a big one, but at least like 10 points. Now we're also breaking below our morning range, right? That morning 15 minutes key level there and that back. So that's gonna be interesting. Yep, it hit our level, bouncing right back up. Let's see. This is just the sideways action, guys. Be very careful. Yeah, Dragon, that's something I could do. After I take my trades and everything, and then start the live stream, I could do that. Or I could just maybe mute the chat. Is that I'm gonna mess around with the settings and everything, and then we'll go from there. I can probably do that easily. So we'll test things out. I'm gonna see how I like it if I'm just by myself at my desk without any distractions, and then we'll see if I do, and I'll do a day or two with the stream on mute. So I'm gonna see, like, in the next 2 weeks we'll try different things out. A few days I'll try it just by myself without any distractions, and then a few days I'll try it with the chat on mute, and then starting it up afterwards. So maybe I can go that way. Because like I love talking to you guys too. That's the thing. Like that's one of the things I love, but it's like it's a little bit of a dilemma. It's like, hey, I'm losing money, and it's like I want to make more, so it's like, no. Like last week we did really well, so it's like for this week we are right now, and this week we are negative. You guys know I'm always honest with my P&L. I have nothing to hide. um, let's see. But yeah, I'll test that out. Next week. I'll do a few days where it's just me trading, and then a few days where it's like I'm trading with the chat on mute, and then I can start chatting afterwards, and we can walk through the trades and everything. So we can do it that way. I like that. I'm glad you guys can like talk too, man. Like I know you saw some of you guys have made new friends from this live streams itself. You guys met new people and started chatting with them. So some people have told me that. So that's like awesome to hear. And that's like the point of the Discord too, where you can chat with them and, make new friends. Then you guys start combining your ideas together, and then you build a new strategy that's like beating the markets, right? You get your edge. Because the markets are always evolving. So next week, Monday, Tuesday, I will be off the stream. I'll just do it by myself. And then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I'll put the chat on mute. And we'll go from there. We might be making a push to the upside. Or we get caught in this chop. Those are the two things that are going to happen. I'm getting an alert forming on the 5-minute charts, which looks promising right now. So let's see. Good morning, Enzo. 559.75. You want to punch the ES today? Yeah, that's normal. So this does look like a promising area, guys, because one, we do have the algo alert forming for the buy side. And it seems like we are bouncing off of our key level. So that is super important. Let's see how we form the candle, how we close the candle, and then, well, if we do, we enter right above the candle close. Or the candle high, sorry. But it seems like if we're going to continue this rotation, that means we'll have like a false alert and it won't, it'll just go back and forth here again. Again, high volume nodes are right here as well for the day. They've been there for a while. Delta is slowly pushing up. So let's see how well it can form. Let's see if we can break above this double top. So it would make a nice little move. At least to like 67.25. And the way it's already starting out does not look promising right now. But we do have some orders piling up on the buyer side. Let's see. Yep, nope, canceling this trade. We're looking for pure momentum. And a little doji candle forming is not good momentum. That's one of the key things, guys. If you see an algo pop up, but then you see like a doji candle pop up right afterwards, close your position. Don't worry about it. It's like, it's not good. There's a higher chance that it'll just reverse. Can we bounce off another time off of our key level? Let's find out. Delta's kind of strong right there. In the past, Jamie, I have tried the Renkos, but I realized it's not for me. Like, it's nice to understand, it helps you understand the trend and everything, but the way they react is like it's way too delayed, or you can't really get in on them exactly, right? That's the issue. Sometimes we'll just have a pump up and that entry point for your Renkos is like completely gone. So that's why I kind of stepped away from that when I tested it out. It just didn't seem right. But if you're just trying to understand the long-term trend, yeah, they're great. Nice buyers at 55.50, pushed up to 53. I kind of do want to get long. Hey, Shri. Let's see. We're bouncing off pretty nicely. Good buyer stepping in on the dome as well. I'm debating. Let's see. Tick chart's still at 57. Ah, man. This is kind of annoying. Yeah, Fridays are pretty common for shorts. Surging cases, I mean, we've been hearing that for like since March. And everyone knew that these cases were gonna come back anyway, so it's like... See you later, Chris. Let's see. They are good for managing a trade, Jamie? Okay. That's interesting. Yeah, right now this is just still completely sideways. Yeah, this is just completely sideways. I'd be very careful if you're trying to enter anywhere between our high volume nodes, right? I'll just extend, and pretty much our morning range. That's essentially where that high volume nodes are today. I can just honestly just extend this and we'll be fine. So this whole area, you just want to be very careful because prices are going to be going back and forth, back and forth. It will break out at one point or another. You just got to wait it out for that. Yeah, guys, this thing is completely just sideways. I don't think we're going to be finding any move anytime soon. So for that reason, I think I will just hop off for today. Rather have no trades than a losing trade. And yesterday we got caught in the chop in a sideways market. Same situation yesterday, right? It's important to recognize that. So it's not worth the risk. So that's why I will be just walking away today. Okay, no profit. That's fine. This week I will have to just take the L on. We did close negative this week on the ES, like just the futures part, but stocks are still good. The swing plays are still good. So we're good. But yeah, have a wonderful day, guys. Enjoy your weekend. If you're still trading, as always, bring in those profits. I wish you the best. And I'll try to come back next week. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, until then, peace out.